This video covers DWARF Mini's unboxing, accessories, and first-time use tips. Here's what's included in the DWARF Mini Basic package. The optical tube can be rotated by hand 225 degrees, and the rotation axis moves freely within a 360-degree limit, making it easier to aim at your target. Before use, briefly press the side power button to turn on DWARF Mini. Please search for DWARF Lab on Google Play or the App Store and download the app. In your phone's system settings, find the DWARF Lab app and grant it permission to access location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Then, turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open the app, tap Connect, and wait for the device to appear. On the bottom of the device, the last 6 digits of the MAC address are the device name. Join the DWARF Mini Wi-Fi to complete the initial connection. Please note that first-time use requires activation following the prompts before the device can be used. After use, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn off the DWARF Mini. To charge, locate the charging port on the base and use the USB-C cable.